Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Playdapp PLA token, guys. Very congratulations to all PLA token holders, because in the currently situation, in the right now situation, PLA token is going to the moon, guys. So very congratulations. Anyways, in this video we are doing a shortly price prediction for PLA token, so keep watch this video complete. And guys, remember, if you're new here, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more update and the news videos. So guys, first of all, if we talk about the currently price of PLA token, so now let me show you 2.42 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of PLA token, guys. And other side, if we talk about the changes of PLA token, so 13.75% positive changes occur in a PLA token, guys. So 13% positive, that's mean that a PLA token is also in the profit. And guys, if we predicate PLA token, so from a trading volume, as you can see here, trading volume is 67.25% positive. So this means that people are investing more and more in the PLA token, guys. So absolutely, if people are investing, so as a result the price have to increase, guys. So just hold for long time. The huge pump of PLA token is coming soon, guys. So just hold for long time. Now for short time, let me show you just the price chart. As you can see here, guys, PLA token is going completely in the profit, guys. You can see here the whole chart is going green, so that's mean that it is a profit opportunity for everybody, guys. Just hold for a long time and make a huge profit. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe now for more news and update videos.